these two minerals are usually depleted. So someone is asking about the best minerals for cancer patient. And if there's, you need all these minerals, okay? Don't get me wrong. Kailangan mo ng minerals and vitamins. But if you're a cancer patient, and so many research, these two minerals are usually depleted. One is selenium and two is magnesium. In fact, supplementing your diet with selenium, 200 micrograms, enhances your immune system. And those people who have deficiency in magnesium, most of them develop lymphoma and other types of cancer. So these two minerals are very important, but I'm not saying that you should not be drinking the other minerals. Yes, they are important. Other minerals, vitamins are also important for normal growth and development of all people.